Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to another quick little DIY gift project idea. So today's video is a little tutorial on a couple of different ornaments you can create. So I think making ornaments is a nice little sentimental gift that you can give to someone who appreciates that kind of thing, something they can put up on their tree every single year. And so I have a few different ideas for different types of ornaments you can make. The first one is an altered spoon. The first thing I did was took some air dry clay and I pressed it into the spoon to give me the shape. I used cling wrap on the spoon to stop it from sticking, and then I also took a Christmas stamp, pressed it into the clay, and then I set that aside to dry for a whole day. And then I also prepped the spoon by coating it in white gesso, and I also painted a little button with gold paint and also allowed that to dry. So the next day when everything was dry, I took my little air dry clay piece and I glued it down onto the spoon with some permanent adhesive. You could stamp or write anything into the air dry clay. It doesn't have to be a stamp. You could put like the year or a fingerprint or something. So once I glued it on, I took more gesso and I applied another coat over the spoon. And I just wanted to make my spoon white, so I just used white gesso to give me a nice thick coat. Once that was dry, I took some gold wax and I rubbed it over the stamp and over the spoon to bring out all the little textures and the details that were on the spoon and in the stamp. So you could probably do this with an ink pad or even with some paint and like a little sponge, and just rub it over lightly to bring out all of the raised textures in the spoon. Once that was done, I took some little gold embellishments and I used more permanent adhesive to glue a few of them down the spoon. And then I took some lace and I tied it around the spoon just to make it look a little bit more pretty. And I just tied it in a bow. And to finish up the spoon, I needed to create a way to hang this from a Christmas tree. So this is where the button comes into play, and I'm going to thread through some twine through the little holes in the button, and this is how it's going to hang from a tree. So I thread it through and then I'm going to use more permanent adhesive to glue the button down onto the top of the spoon. And then obviously I'm going to tie the strings together so that you can hang it on your Christmas tree. And that is the first little ornament idea that I came up with. So the second idea is to use little glass jars, and you can usually find little glass jars at like the bargain store or the dollar store, and I'm going to use these to create a few different sentimental ornament ideas. The first idea is very, very simple. I thought that you could just fill a jar up with glitter and it just makes a pretty little magical. It's like magic Christmas dust. And of course, to hang it, you're going to need to attach an eye screw into the top of the cork. So you just twist it into the cork and then you can thread through some twine or some string so that you can hang it from the tree. You may also want to glue the cork into the bottle so that you don't spill glitter all over your house. So that's the first idea with the bottle. The second idea with the bottle is to make like a little time capsule. So you want to take a little piece of paper and you can write on here, you can write whatever you want. You can write the year, you could print fingerprints of your whole family, you could stick the year in here, and then you could also put in like a little cut of your Christmas tree to go inside the bottle as well. But it's just like a cute little keepsake that you can open up and look at for many, many Christmases to come. And then the last bottle idea is it's kind of like a variation of the first one with the glitter, only we're going to attach an ice screw onto the inside part of the cork, and you can hang any charm of your choice. I just put a alphabet charm, and so when you put the cork on, it's sort of hanging inside the jar. And then I also decided to add just a little bit of glitter down the bottom, and this is just a cute little way to personalize the ornament. And then my last ornament idea is to repurpose or alter a children's block. So like a little wooden block. Taking my block and I'm tracing out our Christmas photos from this year, our family photos, and I'm just cutting them down so that they will fit on top of the block. I decided to put one picture of my 3 kids on one side and then one picture of our whole family on the back side. And then once they're trimmed down to the right size, you just need to glue them down onto the block. If your block has a varnish over it, you may need to sand the block before you start working. Then I decided to also decorate the sides of the block just with some little stickers. I had these little vintage Christmas seals, so I stuck one on each side of the block. Then you're going to want to take an ice screw and attach it to the top of the block. And then all you're going to do is thread through some string or twine of your choice so that you can hang it from the tree. I also added some beads. So just put a few beads over both ends of the thread and tied it. I also added a coat of varnish over the entire ornament and added the year on the bottom with some StazOn ink. So those are my sentimental ornament gift ideas you can put together really quickly with things you probably already have at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!